Hey guys, so welcome back. Today we will be looking at how you can set up your profile section and look into some important tips that can help you to stand out on Discourse. But before that, if you haven't watched my previous video, I will highly suggest that go and watch that because it is pretty important as we will be building concept on that itself. So without further ado, let's get started. So assuming that you have logged in or signed up and you have created your server or you have just joined a server, like here I have joined the IIT BSc Degree online server. So you will be greeted with your first page which you can set according, but we will be interested in knowing how to set up our profile. So here click on this profile icon, image, click on this and move to the summary. In summary section, if you expand, you will get a snapshot of whatever things you have done. So when you have joined, what was your last post, how many times you have visited it, and number of views that your post have got, who invited you, your email address, and groups you are in. Now, if you want a detailed summary, here is some statistics to show you. Like, for example, 19 days you have visited, or I have visited, given a 1 hour read time. By read time, I means interaction with the post, okay? 22 minutes is recent read time, 42 topics I have already viewed. We will be covering topics in later videos. 143 posts I have already read. 1 like I have given, 4 like I have received. I have created 3 bookmarks and these bookmarks are for easy navigations. We will be covering that also. How many topics I have created and number of posts. What are my top replies that is also present in a serialized manner. Again, top topics that I have taken and top links that I have shared or top links that I got answer from and whom I have replied most to. Most liked by who liked my answers most and whom I have liked the answers. What are the top categories? Again, category is something for other videos, but here is just a small gist that each section is called categories. So which categories I have replied the most and what are the topics that I have created. Again, so these are top batches. You get it for completing some of the quest and some of the tutorials. Now, if you are interested in knowing your history, then you can visit the activity. Here, everything will be displayed. Here, you can filter by topics, replies, whatever you have read or not read. If you have created any post and haven't posted, then it will be converted to draft. So, likes, how many likes you have received, bookmarks. That bookmarks I have already told above, right? How many questions you have solved. Again, this provides a good way to understand that this is a solution and number of votes you have. Next is if you want to get notification, you can click on this notification tab and you can see I have got certain notifications. Everything that you will do will give you notification if you get replies. Okay, number of responses that you have, likes you have done, mentions, edits you have done, and these are the all type of notifications which are also available. Okay. Now, if you want to personally message someone or you have got message from someone, you can do it. It is similar to how your Gmail works. You have an inbox, you have a sent, you have new emails which you haven't read, you have unread emails, and you can even archive the email. That is all the things that they provide. Now, moving on to batches, you complete quest and you get batches to showcase. And if you want to bookmark thing, you can click on this star icon for the film. Now this is the preference section, or think of it as a section where settings you can do. Okay. So here you can set your username. Again, make sure that you use only those username which are available. Like for example, this is learner HS. Okay. Next is profile picture. You can set your profile picture. You can get your email address and this name. Now next in the security, you can either reset your password and you can enable your two-factor authentication. Best thing is what are the recently devices that you have used to log in. Now you can set profile. This is the main page where you can set everything about you. So you can set your about me, basically short description of yourself, time zone that you are using, what is your current location, what are the websites that you have made, or if you have in a portfolio, then you can, what is your house name and what is your profile header. So background image, or basically it should be a width of 1110 pixels. User background card also there. So these will be background images. What are the topics that you want to be features and what your date of birth should be. You can just click on this arrow keys and you can select it and you can click on save changes and done. You can even set your emails if you want regular email updates, and you can set it always, only when I am away, and Only when I am away is when I am not using this Discourse or any app of Discourse also. For notification, you can set your notifications. You can even enable live notifications. You can even schedule your notifications and you can get messages notifications. For categories, again, if you want to watch the topics, for example, what is happening in the topic, you can do it. If you created a topic and you want to track it, you can do it here. If you want to create a first post on any new topic, then you can click on watch first new post and you can select it. You can even mute your notifications or watch or tracking just in case you don't want it to bother you. Now you can set which users you want to mute, and you can also allow specific users to send personal messages. Now tags. If you want to watch certain tags or track or watch the first post using that given tag, and if you want to mute tag, you can do it from the tag section here. And here is the in interface. You can set your theme, what should be your text size, what should be your interface language, what should be your home page. Like for example, we had the categories, and earlier also I told that we can set it. So you can set it to latest, new, unread, top, bookmarks, etc. And other sections include, you can open external links in the new tab. You can even quote a reply from the highlighted text itself. You can defer the mark option topics as unread, that is you haven't read even though you have read. And you can automatically unpin topics if you reach the bottom of any page. Or you can even hide your public profile and presence features. You can show the count on the browser. By count, it means the number of notifications that you have received, and background page title should display the new notification, or you can add your new page content also, and you can even skip the onboarding ticks and badges. So the thing that I want now to share with you is that you can see how much flexibility you have got with this open source software. So I personally use it for everything, productize my day. So I highly suggest that you can check it out also. So that's it for this video, guys. Share one thing that you liked about the Discourse profile the most, and make sure that you create your Discourse profile, because in next video we are going to look into how you can ask questions or create topics. Again, if you are having any query regarding this video, you can tag me on socials, and I will see you then. Bye for now.